Google is unstoppable when it comes to shipping AI features. Unlike others, it's been making genuinely useful consumer AI tools, and NotebookLM is one of the best examples, especially for students. Recently, Google added a big update: video overviews. Earlier, we had audio overviews, but now you can generate videos for your concepts, complete with visuals and explanations. And yes, it's available to everyone for free. If you're a student or someone who learns better visually, here's how you can use it. Step 1. Go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Click Create New to start a new notebook. Step 3. Upload your source. This could be a PDF, link, document, or even notes you've written. Step 4. Once uploaded, go to the studio on the far right and click Video Overview. Wait for the video to generate. Once done, you can watch it. That's it! Google Notebook has now generated a video with detailed illustrations and text. You can click on the play button to start playing. To download the video, click on the download button. You can view all your created videos once you've accessed the studio screen. You can also tap on the three-dot menu here and click on Download to save the video locally on your device. And that's it! I hope you find this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials, subscribe to TechPP.